Guys, welcome back. Today I'm planning to install another cool product on my Cupra Formentor from Maxton design. It is the rear bumper diffuser. It looks like this. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to have it installed. It's very aggressive and really matches with the roof spoiler. I was worried that the diffuser is going to block the foot sensor, but it doesn't, which is absolutely awesome. Really happy it's not blocking that sensor again. Yes, it's working. So I'm going to show you the diffuser now. I just flipped it for a bit so I can see if it still works. It looks like this. There's a bunch of stickers. This one is the gloss black. Very aggressive in comparison with the super tiny ones that come with the vehicle. 1 centimeter. These are probably like 6 or 7. Look at those fins. Nice. In the package I found some clips, regular car clips. Look like this. So I have to drill some holes, and the holes are marked. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I'm planning to do is to add some double-sided tape, which is not included in this kit, on these edges, because as you can see it doesn't really stick to the shape of the bumper. So I want this as tight as possible. There's a tiny gap there. Well, I'll start the installation now. I always like to do my due diligence and inspect all these areas where I have to drill to make sure there is no wires, no sensors. There is a sensor right here. There's another one on the other side, and I'll make sure there is no more wire where I have to drill, because I have to drill 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. I discovered where the sensor is. The sensor is located right here. That was very, very close. So I noticed there's like a bar with a wire right here. What I had to do, I had to push that a little bit in the back in order to drill this hole. So now the bar starts from here, basically. It's from here there. So that's the sensor for the foot opener. Now I should be able to install this, and the sensor is right here at the back. But you have to be careful if you have this. I didn't know that I have the sensor right there, and as soon as I got my hand underneath here, I noticed a wire. Then I went all along here, and I noticed the same like bar going all the way there. So when you drill these holes, make sure that you're not going to drill through that sensor, because it's very, very close. I temporarily installed it with the clips so I can test the sensor. It works. So it's up to you if you want to leave it like this or not, but I personally don't like these gaps. See here? The sides too. So these are the area that I'm trying to glue with the double-sided tape. So this is what I personally wanted to achieve, to have a double-sided tape along the edges so I can pull these edges as close as possible to the car bumper. Pretty much installed. I have all the clips installed, all 6, but I can still see that adhesive, so I'm gonna have to use some black plastic. I'll see it again tomorrow. Okay, let's have a look at it now. Yeah, I see those edges. I really don't like that. So I'm gonna use some black mastic. Other than that, looks really good. These edges should have been more towards the bumper and should have some sort of gasket or something. Otherwise you're gonna see that gap. Other than that, looks really good. The shape is amazing. I really like it. Give it that sportiness. I really match with the vehicle. It's very aggressive.